Simultaneous linear equations. In this video, we will learn how to solve a system of linear equations using the substitution method. Simultaneous linear equations are two linear equations that must solve at the same time. Simultaneous linear equations also are known as system of linear equations. Substitution method. Let's solve the following simultaneous equations using the substitution method. We use a brace to show the equations are related. Step 1. You choose one equation and make x or y the subject. Which equation you pick is your choice, but try to pick the easier one to solve. This example solves the first equation for y. Step 2. Replace the variable which you make the subject into the other equation. Replace the y for 5 minus 2x in the second equation. Place the value in brackets for clarity. Step 3. Solve this new equation. Solve the equation. Step 4. Plug this x value back into either equation and solve for y. Plug into the equation that will solve most easily. Since we already have an expression for y, it will be simplest to just plug into this. The solution is 3 and minus 1. To solve this system of linear equations, we need to choose one of these two equations and rearrange it to get an expression for y or for x. We have to make the choice based upon what we feel will be the simplest. The first equation seems to be the simplest. Make y the subject. Replace this expression for y in the second equation. We have to solve this new equation for x. Multiply throughout by 2, because we want to get rid of the fraction, and the way to do that is to multiply everything by 2. Expand the brackets. Take the expression for y and replace x by 4 to get the y value. Y value is 5, x value is 4. The solution is 4 and 5. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or suggest anything. I will be grateful.